Welcome to Database Mart's channel. In this video, we'll show you how to approve the certificate authority for validation so you can successfully receive your SSL certificate. Log into DBM Control Panel. Click on the SSL tab, then click Manage. Next, paste your CSR. We showed the exact steps for generating the CSR in the previous video. Continue filling in the required information. Once everything is completed, 3 validation options will appear: DNS, HTTP, and email. Method 1. DNS Validation. Select DNS as the validation method, copy the contents from alias, then open the Domain Management interface. Click NS and DNS and add record. Add a new TXT record for your main domain, even if your certificate is for a subdomain. Paste the record value exactly as provided. Once the DNS record has propagated, the CA will automatically detect it and complete the validation. Method 2. HTTP Validation. Select HTTP as the validation method. You'll see 2 pieces of information displayed: a file URL and file content. Copy the file content provided. On your web server, open your website's root directory. Inside it, create a folder named .wellknown, and then another folder inside it named PKI Validation. In the PKI Validation folder, create a new file called fileauth.txt and paste the copied file content into it. Once saved, make sure this file is publicly accessible. You can test it by opening a browser and entering the file URL. If the file displays correctly, your setup is complete. The CA will detect it automatically and issue the SSL certificate shortly. Method 3. Email Validation. Select Email Validation as your method. The CA will send a confirmation email to one of the authorized email addresses associated with your domain. Open the message and click the verification link inside to approve the validation. You've learned all 3 ways to approve the certificate authority for validation, and now you're ready to receive and install your SSL certificate. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Database Mart's channel for more step-by-step server tutorials.